Welcome, kids! Let's learn the English alphabet together. A for apple. A for apple. B for ball. B for ball. C for cat. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. F for fish. G for grapes. G for grapes. H for horse. H for horse. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for jug. J for jug. K for kite. K for kite. L for lion. L for lion. M for monkey. M for monkey. N for nest. N for nest. O for orange. O for orange. P for parrot. P for parrot. Q for queen. Q for queen.
R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S for sun. S for sun. T for tiger. T for tiger. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for van. V for van. W for whale. W for whale. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Congratulations, kids! You have learned A to Z alphabets. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!